So in this lesson, we're going to convert a data table into a bar chart using the Insert tab and Excel. So select the range from A2 to F8. Then go into your Insert tab if it's not already selected, and in the Charts group, find the button that says Insert Bar Chart. Click the down arrow next to it, and select, and then look through the bar charts to find which one you want. I'm going to use this one because it looks like it'll work for my purposes. So if you click it, it'll insert it on this tab, and you can see that it's right here, and there are multiple things you can do with it. However, I don't really want to create a new bar chart, so we're going to delete that, and we're going to move over to the pie chart tab. I do want to use this one, however, I don't want it to be a pie chart. A pie chart isn't going to help me in this scenario. So we're going to convert this pie chart into a bar chart. So when I selected this chart, you notice that I went to a special dialog box, a special tab setting popped up. It's called Chart Tools, and two tabs popped up, Design and Format. On the Design tab, go to the Type group and select Change Chart Type. Go to the bar area and go to 3D Clustered Bar. I'm going to use this one to differentiate between the different groups. Select OK, and your chart type changes to match what you want. Keeping that one, we're going to switch over to this tab, and I like this, but I want to change it to a different bar, like a different chart. So we're going to switch this to a different style of chart. So once again, selecting chart type, but instead we're going to switch it to a different, thing. We're going to switch it to a different type of column chart. This one looks like it'll help us the most in telling us which years grew and which years fell. So we're going to select this one and select OK. And now you can see the coffee espresso going up in the years, going up as time went on, and as well as the coffee accessories, where most of the letters stayed close to constant or went down a little.